Hey, how you doing? Austin here for a late night my time update for Dogecoin. I want to really show you a very interesting pattern that is developing for Dogecoin on my TradingView system, and I really want to show it to you, talk to you about it. The real implications here is that we could be poised for another breakout. Okay, we're going to look at that and kind of see what that could be, how it could relate to what are some of relate to some of the upcoming catalysts that we've had. You guys know we've had the Coinbase thing just come, Coinbase Pro. Let me restate that. We've got a lot of really cool stuff going on for Doge. This has been an absolutely insanely great day for Dogecoin. The last 30 hours actually has been really, really cool. And so we're going to dive into it and check it out. By the way, you've probably noticed I've got some more little guests here that are accompanying me. Okay, I asked this question earlier. What movie is this from? Now I asked that, so basically the people who saw my earlier video today, I think it was my Shiba Inu video. So what movie is this from? Now there's I think 3 of these movies. No, 2, 3. I don't know. Which one is this from specifically? Each character. All right. So just a little fun fact. Drop in the comments below. Let me know if you know. All right, let's go take a look at everything Dogecoin. All right, so you can see we're at 42 cents. We're trading up 13%. That is really, really, really cool. Okay, looking at kind of a 7-day chart. It's loading data, my internet. Oh, come on. There we go. We're up 72% right now in the volume, and that's what I really do like. We've dropped off just a little bit, moving in probably in the last like 2 or 3 or 4 hours. But you can see our 24-hour high and lows right here are 36 respectively and 44. Okay, so we've backed off of the high just a little bit. Just a smidge. That's your word of the day. There you go. Market cap. We overtook number 6 in the market cap today, and I wanted to show you this right here. Before I refresh this, look at this Cardano and Dogecoin right here. Dogecoin is number 6 and Cardano is number 5. We're at 54 billion and they're at 55 billion. Let me refresh this. See if we've moved up a little bit. Yeah, so we're basically separated by not a lot. There you go. Okay, so I fully expect in the very near future for us to overtake Cardano. That would be pretty cool. And you guys know I'm a huge fan of Cardano as well. Just in case you didn't know this, or kind of what, just to clarify the whole Coinbase thing, I'm assuming you know, but I'm going to real quickly run through this. So what Dogecoin did is, not Dogecoin, what Coinbase did is they quietly, so to speak, last night released Dogecoin on Coinbase Pro. Okay, so you can effective tomorrow, you should be able to trade. Tomorrow actually is in an hour Central Time. You should be able to trade. Oh, it's 9 a.m. Pacific. I apologize. It's 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Pacific on Thursday, June 3rd. Wow, get that out fast. You should be able to trade Dogecoin on Coinbase Pro. They did not release it on Coinbase.com and on the mobile app. So you have to be using the professional version, Coinbase Pro, to be able to trade Dogecoin right now. Okay, so the reason I'm bringing this up, and this is news that's been out now for about, about 32 hours, give or take, is that I really want to clarify something. I really want to bring to light something, okay? We now have another catalyst here, guys. And the other catalyst is when Dogecoin goes live on Coinbase.com and goes live on the mobile app. Okay, so just in case you missed this, I'm just going to quickly show you this. Right here, Doge is not yet available on Coinbase.com or via our consumer mobile apps. We will make a separate announcement if and when the support is added. Now, they're of course saying when. That is relevant. They will make it available. Okay, so that's coming. So that is another catalyst, guys. Okay, this run up today. Excuse me. We're going to look at that in just a minute. This run up today was specifically, absolutely related to Dogecoin. Being listed on Coinbase Pro. Okay, that's what that was. I'll also show you the entire rest of the market is flat. Okay, there's really nothing going on. Binance Coin's up a little bit in the last 24 hours, but Dogecoin has really been the standout today. Okay, and it rose 30+% today. It's crazy. Looking at the news is continuing to be very, very positive. The news is continuing to propagate. There's your word of the day. Propagate. And just continue to get the word out and the momentum out for Dogecoin, specifically related to everything that the catalyst we have that with this Coinbase thing. But right here, I mean, Dogecoin gains CoinDesk. Dogecoin surges after Coinbase says some users can trade it. Look at this, a running list of companies whose market cap is topped by Dogecoins. That's relatively new. Wall Street Journal, Dogecoin prices jumps on Coinbase debuts prospect. Fortune, a running list whose market cap is topped by Dogecoin. Look at this, I love this. Few, if any, financial advisors expected to recommend Bitcoin and Dogecoin to client. Here's how many now suggest. So basically, it says, a new report by the Financial Planning Association looks at the changing attitudes to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Oh, wow. You're changing your attitude. The old guard's changing their attitude. You know what? Here's the thing, guys. I'm a 30-year stock guy. I make no bones about that. I am relatively new to crypto and coming in full steam. I love everything. I just love the crypto market. And I had dabbled in crypto kind of back in the day, bought some Bitcoin here and there, some Ethereum here and there. But when I decided to go full, push my chips into the middle and really get into this and really start to really look at all the different types of cryptos and everything, I mean, it was just this whole new world opened up to me. And it's really, really been a really cool experience. And I'm truly am just loving every day. I wake up every day and I'm excited to kind of look at what's going on. And the cool thing is, guys, is that when we're having kind of these down days and kind of mediocre days and things like that, it's still fun. It's still fun because it's just different than stocks. And I don't get me wrong, I still have money in stocks, I still have money in index funds, I still have mutual funds and all that kind of stuff. In fact, I make no bones about it. The majority of my money is over there, right? And but I'm moving more and more into crypto because I think it's just, the crypto world and everything around it, and the fact that there's different types of use cases in different cryptos. There's a crypto for every single person out there. You want a crypto because you want to buy into a crypto because you're a military vet and you want to help military vets. There's a crypto for that. You want to buy into a crypto that helps clean up the oceans. There's a crypto for that. I mean, it's just crazy the amount of different cryptos that you can buy into them just because of your personal beliefs or any of the other various reasons we cover here on the channel. It's just really, really cool to see, and I really love that. And so, kind of back to this Dogecoin news thing, guys. I really want to clarify this, and I want to really bring this home. Is that with the Coinbase Pro scenario developing, we know we have the Coinbase catalyst out there right now. Beyond that, my point to you is that we are in a very, very positive news cycle as it relates to the news coverage that we are receiving for Dogecoin, as evidenced and shown to you by everything I just showed you. Why do you care? You care because positive news does what? Usually tends to bring new money in, new people coming in, or bringing people back in to spend even more and to continue to buy and hold. That is this number here. The volume is coming back in, okay? And frankly, it's evidenced by the rising price. Now, this is because you start to see average retail, not average, that's not the right word I meant. Sorry, it's been a long day. You see retail investors they basically go, hey, that Dogecoin thing, oh my God. And they start seeing news articles about it. It's covered on the local channel. It's covered on the, the end of the day news, whatever it may be. They're like, man, I need to go relook at that Dogecoin. And they look at it and they go, all right, it's 40, something cents. I can afford to throw a couple $100 at it. Remember, I always say this. I always want to be the cautionary tale. In crypto, only put money into it you can afford to lose. Even Dogecoin, guys. And I consider Dogecoin to be a pillar of the crypto community. It has a life of its own and all those kind of things. My point to you is again, just make good choices and things like that. All right, let's talk about this chart that I've made for you. So this is the trading view chart, and what I wanted to show you was we've got the development, we've got the beginnings of yet another pennant flag. I call them basically a flag, right? A flag pattern, a bullish flag pattern developing. So you can see we had this one. This one I drew. It started on May 31st and continued to go up. And then we had our little bit of a sideways action here, and then we just spiked big time, okay? And so what I wanted to show you was, again, we've got the exact same pattern developing, okay, right here. And so what I wanted to show you was, if you look, we've had one support level, two support level hit, and actually there's three. There's one right there where we actually touched it and we moved back, okay? Let me get rid of those real quickly. Okay, so what you've got here is some interesting situations developing. So you've got our support level, you got our bounce levels where we've hit that support and we've bounced back up. So right now our support level, guys, is 40 cents. Okay, so our absolutely support level is 40 cents. Now, what I wanted to show you was how this kind of works is we will possibly see this start to develop potentially. Okay, and this could be over the next 12 to 18 hours, give or take, could be what this is. Also want to point out that we've got resistance here where we've touched resistance 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and we've come back. Now, those are not hard touches. They were spikes, they were the wick of the candlestick, if you will. They were just boom, touch, come back. Boom, touch, come back. But we've established that this is our resistance level. And so what we should see is we'll continue to develop just a little bit, and then we will see a breakout, okay? Now, will we see a breakout up, or will we see a breakout down? All indicators are, guys, that we will see a breakout up, because we've got positive catalysts, we've got things going on, we've got positive momentum, we've got money coming back in, all those kind of things. We'll see how it develops, but I wanted to show you this. If you take a look at this, and you take this, basically the pole, if you put the pole here, it shows that we have the distinct possibility, guys, to get to 54 cents from here, okay? So this breakout could very well lead us to the next developing scenario. I would also show, look at this. We were kind of expecting this to be that long, and look how much more we blew past that level of support because of the scope of the news, right? I mean, that's just how it went, okay? Now, let me put that back so I can have that for future reference. Okay, so we'll see if this develops. But 54 cents is the next kind of major level that we are kind of shooting for, I think we have a distinct possibility, kind of based off of that real, very, very straightforward look at kind of this flagpole and kind of how it's developing. We'll continue to see how it plays out. And I'm here for you. I'll be here for you guys tomorrow. And it's fun. This is fun time. I'm enjoying it. And I'll see you down the road. See ya.